Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going into an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find. Alright, so first, kill the water. We're going to suck out all the water out of the tank and the bowl. Let's see. Now we're going to be keeping the vacuum because there might be some water that seeps under the toilet after we undo the toilet. Yeah.
Decent?
Am I decent?
Yeah.
I'm as naked as they come.
Well, you'll stake it as it comes, eh?
I'm as naked as they come.
Oh, that's a jaybird. All right.
What's going on? No, you're good to come in.
You got to pull it off, eh, buddy?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Not
Been
too
a
bad.
while.
Well, you know, it wouldn't be so long, but you guys never call us.
I know. We don't normally have a problem. You seen the inside of it, right?
Yeah. I sucked all that out already.
Yeah. I don't know. There's something in the line.
Yeah, she was saying when she runs her sink that it backs it up.
Yeah.
So yeah, that tells me it's a little deeper down.
Yep. You got it here, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good, buddy. All right, take it easy.
You too, buddy.
All right, thank you. All right, cheers, brother.
I need you to let me know what it is. So.
If I pull anything out, I'll let you guys know.
Okay,
for sure.
it could be here, it could be somewhere else.
Yeah, I'll figure out how deep. See, it should be on the same line as that.
Yeah,
so it's probably
on a Y.
Yeah, it's probably just before the connection to that.
So
bathroom.
it's from here to there.
Yeah, so it definitely happened here. Yeah. If I pull anything out,
Could have been a lid or something, but something needs to be.
Yeah.
Okay, bud.
No problem. Thanks a lot, Ryan. I'm going to be using the big 2-inch cutter. So this should be fairly close because the other toilet in the bathroom, just 5 feet from here, is clear. So this should be a fairly close blockage. Feels very wrap up here. Alright, so let's see if you guys can see the water. That's from the sink. It's coming out right. It's from here. So I'm going to shut the camera off now because we're on a 14% battery. I'm going to put everything back together. You can see I got the new gasket here. That's new bolts we're going to put on. And once I put everything back together, I'll turn the camera on and do a sign off. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, there you go. Everything's flushing good. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy. And if you guys are interested, if you click right here, I think you can subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you click right here, you might be able to see another video. Also maybe right here. I don't know yet. We'll see. So until next time, drop now.